Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Cronos chart. A lot of you have asked in previous videos in the comment sections for an update on this chart. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. We are currently on our website dailymarketupdate.com. Here you can completely for free, you can register and get access to all of these Elliott wave updates. You see the asset classes on the screen, cryptos, stocks, tech stocks, the S&P even. But today we want to take a look at the cryptocurrencies section. Now if you're interested to register, again it's free. You can find the link in the description, dailymarketupdate.com. Today I want to take a look at the Cronos chart, as I said. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. And if you watched previous videos, then, well, you know that we really never rallied in an impulse on this chart, We never really rallied in an impulse. We see this rally that happened between 2020 and 2021 as a high B wave. So that's really unchanged. That means we haven't really seen, like many other charts, an impulsive structure. So the foundation is a bit different here for this chart. Still though, should we see a third wave rally from here somewhere? This is the long-term chart, Smaller time frame price action is really just noise from a weekly chart point of view, but it's important to understand the context. Now we will tell you what are the invalidation levels and also what are the smaller time frame movements. We'll talk about that on the smaller time frame in a minute. That's going to be the 8-hour chart we're going to take a look at. However, what we want to highlight here is the potential that if Cronos can develop upside impulses from a base down here, and it's not really done that yet, then a third wave still has a chance to take the price here to round about $1.31 or higher. There would be a long-term upside projection. It would have to give us some kind of a smaller time frame setup, like a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback. If you are familiar with Elliott wave, then you know that trend reversals to the upside from a downtrend, we're still in a local downtrend, trend reversals to the upside are only confirmed with the first 5-wave move, in this case to the upside. 5 waves indicate the trend direction, and then a subsequent pullback would form ideally a higher low, and that could confirm then the rally in a third wave, for example. Third waves are typically the strongest waves, and they should complete 5 waves as well. And the first wave of the third wave would also be a 5-wave move. So we have to be a bit patient there. The 8-hour time frame suggests that still lower prices are to come. There is no confirmed low yet. The market had a few opportunities to turn around. It kind of failed, and the downtrend from that December high is still unfolding, but we're getting into very interesting price regions. So the next regions to observe for a potential turnaround is this one. So all we can do is identify ideal targets based on microstructures, and it seems like this here is a 5th wave down in wave 5 of C of 2. The target zone for that 5th wave is just based on general guidelines is between 2 cents and 6 cents. So if there is no reversal from there, it doesn't mean anything is invalidated. It just means that the 5th wave seems to be extending beyond what would be normal, but it obviously would mean we have to be on the side of caution because it would be more bearish than even in this wave count is assumed. Now, first indication really that we are turning around and start the next large uptrend, well, that would be a break above the 14-cent level, the previous swing lows here, and the 23-cent level, in my opinion, even more important because that's the swing high from December 2024 and November. And once we get a break above that level, it indicates that further downside extensions in blue wave 5 can be ruled out and that we're likely in an upside breakout. So that is what we're watching for. But for now, short term, price has a good chance to go a little bit lower, maybe another low to hit the 6 to 2 cent area. That's the update about Cronos. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you register on our website for free. And don't forget to let me know which other cryptocurrencies you want me to cover going forward. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.